Aivia, the launcher. The various icons on the launcher help set up the Aivia UI and sequence steps in the background, so that when you open an image, you can expect a more focused and tailored experience for your specific analysis task. We know we can't possibly cover all applications, so if you're a more advanced user, it's certainly possible to just close the launcher and check this box so that it won't automatically come back the next time you launch the software. If you do close the launcher initially, but eventually want to see the launcher again, you can always get back to it by clicking here. From the launcher, you can go straight into just opening a file, and the new default layout sequence is very similar to the one from Aivia 14, with one notable difference. There is now a dedicated button for adding recently taken actions into a batch or workflow. More on this in our next video. You can now right-click on sequence steps to add new ones or modify existing ones, and you can save your personalized sequence as a .guided sequence file that you can then open up from the launcher directly. For someone who is totally new to Aivia, the colorful icons on the launcher are meant to guide them into a preset sequence for their specific analysis. You'll see that after clicking one, you're presented with some options of how to get your data into the software. Once you've selected your data, you're taken into the familiar Aivia UI, but now with a more personalized sequence to guide you through the analysis.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to us via the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Thank you.